everybody, and hello, and welcome to another video. You found joy this morning. I am out cruising around in the Jordan Park neighborhood, giving you an update on the construction project here. Taking a look first at the mid-rise, that's what they call this, senior citizen mid-rise actually, and looks like construction is moving right along. We'll cruise through here for a second and then go take a look at the rest. By the way, thanks so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments if you would. Are you in the neighborhood? Have you seen the construction? What do you think of the proposed improvements? I love to hear it. I love to hear what you think, what you know, and what you got going on. This part is supposed to be finished by the end of this year. We'll see. If you like being kept up on the process, you can hit that subscribe button, and then you'll see all the videos that I put out. Certainly the ones on this project. Alright, bump, let's... I'm riding a little Pride mobility scooter. See, this ends here at the Carter Woodson. Yeah, the bumps, dang. The museum here. And that's where they're building. And I'll slip back through. Probably put in a little music so you don't have to listen to the construction noise. Hey, unless you like construction noise, you let me know that down in the comments too. The one driving video I had, this guy said, hey, take out the crappy music and talk. Yeah, well, I can't talk for that long, but yeah, I'm trying. In this case, I'll give you some maybe better than crappy music. And then we'll go see how they're doing on the apartments, houses, that kind of thing. Oh, and if you didn't know, this is 275, runs right across from it. And here's the Head Start at Jordan Park. So if you're familiar with Jordan Park at all, this is Jordan Park Street South. Where's my finger going this way? Yep, and here's definitely no stabilization on this camera, right? Here's the playground, and those, it smells so bad right here. I can barely sit here. I don't know what's up with that, but those apartments, houses, units on that side have not been put under construction. I'm not sure if that's going to happen later or not at all. This street here is 11th Avenue South, and this is where we start being closed off. If you can see way through there, I might zoom in and show you. That's the garden. I gave up on the garden. between health and people not wanting me to be there. I mean the Jordan Park people. I gave up. Yep, gave up. Gotta know when to give up. Alright, these are all under construction. These look, they've all been painted. Got that going on. They turn the porch lights off. That's just me not wanting to waste electricity. The playground area is looking very nice. Breaking glass, breaking glass. Let's see if we can, bounce around. Alright, we'll see if we can slip down the alley. Take a look at it. Here's the garden. I wouldn't even be brave enough to walk in there now, although I really want to. I want to see if any of the plants I left survive. Oh, St. Pete, you disappointed me with this one. And then we're back up here by Creole Chief's Cafe. And oh my goodness, whatever they're smoking at the Heavy's food truck smells so good. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Be sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll see the next update. And I will see you on the next one.